Actually iko green excess. Kwetu kupata green kaa hii matanga. Situation. Guys, bye. Next time. Now we are going back to Ndagani town. Bye, bye, bye. Woo, being on our way back now. Actually, it was very tiresome. As you can see, we have beehives around. So that means that we have bees nearby. Then, as you can see, there is water spillage everywhere. So that means that we have been having heavy rains everywhere in this area. As you can see, we have nimbus clouds. So that means that the rain is it's just around to come, to pour down, as you can see. Then here we are enjoying this, touring this new environment. A very nice one, as you can see. It's a great pleasure to make you enjoy your best. Okay guys, bye. Meet you next time.